be opening every single pack in Blacket. So here we go. Alright, the monster pack. Let's open the ice monsters pack. But also we need insta open. I got a rock monster. Alright. The Wonderland. I'm basically just gonna speedrun this. Look at the waffle. Evil. Gemstone. That. Oh my god, legendary! 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 Oh my god. We already got a legendary. Oh my god. I'm gonna open another Outback pack, you know? So, okay. We got a shell. Sports pack. We got a baseball. Spooky pack. Pumpkin. Sci-fi pack. Okay. Sci-fi pack. Ooh. Alright. Oh, CHROMA! CHROMA! James! Bro! CHROMA! 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 Lime Astronaut! CHROMA! CHROMA! Oh my god! Lime Astronaut! Oh my god! Oh my god! Looks like my luck is on max right now. Alright, we got a magic spellbook. Like blue book. Oh my god! Hey, hold on, what's the rarest look in the candy pack? It's the blue gummy worm. Is the rarest in the candy pack. Oh, looks like we got a high Anka. And now let's go to OG pack. Let's see what we get. Ooh. But anyway, guys, we literally got a legendary and a CHROMA. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I literally never pulled a CHROMA before in Blacket or Blacket. Look. Oh my lordy lord. Look at that beauty. CHROMA. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's end this.